In order to establish the cost-effectiveness and performance of the Petrotech product, the Israeli oil refineries staged the following independent tests recorded on this video. Test 1. Burn area, 1,100 square feet. Fuel, Jet A. Quantity, 660 U.S. gallons. Fuel depth, 1 inch. Pre-burn, 1 minute. Nozzle, 195 gallon per minute, non-aspirating.
זה מספיק, נכון, אלי? לא, עשה את הכלום שלו. כאן, כאן, כאן יש לך ישות. בוא לפה, כן? יש פה בפינה למטה.
Results? Extinguishing time, 50 seconds. Product concentrate, half of 1%. Total products used: water, 82 U.S. gallons. Petrotech, 0.5 U.S. gallons.
Now it will be with a regular nozzle.
Test 2. Burn area, 40 square feet. Fuel, Jet A. Quantity, 30 U.S. gallons. Fuel depth, 2 centimeters, 0.75 inches. Pre-burn, half a minute. Extinguisher, 1 2.5 gallon U.S. standard.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3.
Results: extinguishing time, 7 seconds. Product concentrate, 2%. Total product used: water, 22 ounces. Petrotech, half an ounce. Test 3. Burn area, 40 square feet. Fuel, heptane. Quantity, 30 U.S. gallons. Fuel depth, 2 centimeters, 0.75 inches. Pre-burn, 1 minute. Extinguisher, 1 2.5 gallon U.S. standard. Results: extinguishing time, 25 seconds. Product concentrate, 2%. Total product used: water, 1.3 U.S. gallons. Petrotech, 0.03 U.S. gallons, 2 ounces. The video you are seeing is not a Petrotech demonstration, but is in fact the account of an insurance adjuster charged with the responsibility to assess the damage and ultimate cleanup cost of 4 tons of bunker sea oil spilled by one of their insured. A tank filled with 4 tons of bunker sea oil ruptured and deposited its contents over a 4,000 square yard area, including an adjacent metal working shop. Subjected to the elements, the oil quickly turned to a tar-like substance. An ensuing heavy rainfall caused the oil to be spattered even onto the walls of the metal working shop, adding to the cleanup problem. Israel's Petrotech distributor was notified to inspect and ultimately to proceed with the cleanup. A pressure washing truck was moved to the scene, filled with a 3% solution of Petrotech and pressurized to 150 psi before the cleanup began. It was quite evident after the first application that the process might have to be repeated several times. However, it was clear to see that after only the second application, even the original paint markings on the floor had become visible again. Although some of the heavily contaminated metal parts required cleaning by hand. The entire effluent of the cleanup was deemed ready for biodegradation and passed for introduction into the sewer system. To accomplish the entire task, only 1.5 barrels, 80 U.S. gallons, were used. The balance of the second barrel was left behind for the metal working shop to deal with possible residues caused by heavy rainfalls that might occur in the future.